viewers, how are you? Hope all are fine and doing well. Let's welcome back to my channel Art Debate. Today in this video I am going to show you beautiful silver peacock jhumka earrings designs. These earrings are stylish in look and trendy to wear. Before going further, please subscribe my channel Art Debate if not yet subscribed and click on bell icon for channel updates. Girls and women love to wear earrings, especially peacock earrings. Friends, here in this video you are watching latest beautiful, unique, stylish peacock jhumka earrings designs. These earrings are suitable for casual wear and party wear and also traditional occasions. Watch the video till end so that you can go through all the lovely peacock jhumka earrings designs. Enjoy the video. Art Debate channel is for fashion lovers. In our channel you can watch latest trendy designs and updated fashion trends, especially for girls and women on clothing and accessories like blouse designs, dresses, kurtis, kurtas, lehengas, chudidars, Punjabi suits, sharara suits, earrings, ear cuffs, nose pins, necklace designs, mangalsutra designs, finger rings, bracelets, armlets, toe rings, finger rings, footwear designs, mehendi designs and so on. Please support and subscribe my channel Art Debate. I hope you like the silver jhumka earring designs in this video. If you like the video, please do like and share the video with your family and friends. Comment your favorite earrings designs. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for upcoming videos. Thank you. Take care.